Onam is the biggest and the most important festival for the people from the state of Kerala in South India. People of Kerala are referred to as Malayalis. Malayalis of all faiths celebrate this harvest festival all around the world. Onam is celebrated in the beginning of the month Chinya, the first month of the Malayalam calendar. This usually corresponds with the month of August or September. According to the popular legend, the festival is celebrated to welcome King Mahabali.
Started about a king who was so kind to his people. God Vishnu used to try to test him, see how good he was.
Because he was so popular, the heavens were actually frightened of his success, and they thought that he will overtake them. So they sent disguised Vishnu, who came to Mahabali and asked for a wish.
Ask me, what do you want? And he asked him, I just wanted 3 steps of land. Just, 1, 2, 3. 3 steps of land. Oh, that is so easy. You can have it. And suddenly, this little Brahmin became a huge giant, where you can never see how tall he was. When he put his first foot, he covered the whole earth. When he put his second foot, it covered both the second and third world. All the 3 worlds was covered. And he said, oh, great king, when shall I put my 3rd foot? Being a great king, and his promise is a promise. And he said, okay, put on my head. So the 3rd foot came through. He was pushed into the underworld. And before he went, he said, oh Lord, my subjects are so happy. I like to come back at least once a year. And Lord Vishnu gave him the wish, okay, your wish is granted. You will visit your subject once a year. And that's how we celebrate Onam, to welcome Mahabali.
The celebration of Onam lasts for 10 days. On the first day of the festival, people start making pookalam. Pookalam is an intricate floral mat laid on the floor.
The flowers arrangement is like a carpet thing. They beautifully with colorful things. There's plenty of flowers during that time of the year.
As it leads up from the 10th day up to Thiruonam, you have on the 10th day on the outer rim you have one color. Then the 2nd day, on the 9th day, you obviously have first the 10th day and two different colors. So it kind of builds up.
The making of pookalam is itself a colorful and joyous event. It brings a team effort and helps to generate a feeling of togetherness and goodwill amongst people. There is also a belief that if a young unmarried girl dances around the pookalam, she would definitely find her ideal match and get married soon. Kaikottikali and Thiruvathirakkali are the main dances for Onam. In these dances, the women wear traditional Kerala saris, stunning jewellery and jasmine flowers in their hair. They dance gracefully around the traditional brass lamp. Another dance form that is performed during the season is known as Pulikali. In this dance, performers paint themselves like tigers and dance ferociously to the drum beats.
Onam in colorful style. We had the Western into our Eastern myth. So we have traditional, classical, and also the modern Bhangra type, you start shaking your hand while you're sitting in your chair itself.
Onam is incomplete without inclusion of popular games. One of the enchanting events is Vellamkali.
Vellamkali is a boat race, and all the men will be trained for that, and the rich people will own the boat and the people, and they train the people, the rowers, and they have the competition, and whoever wins the competition will have a trophy and everything. And they have the main boat race for men, but they have the small boats for women as well. They wear the white, or either white or the Onam sari.
Another popular game enjoyed by all ages is tug of war. It is played with vigor and energy, where the whole community gets involved. Another popular game is Uriyadi. The game is all about breaking a decorated pot dangling overhead from an attached rope.
And then when this person's trying to jump up to crack the pot, people standing watching actually throw water on him, so it makes it difficult for him to see the pot. But then whoever hits the pot will get what present was in there.
And obviously it will have sweets and goodies inside it, and it will fall, and we all sort of run around trying to get it.
So the fun continues with many more friendly games played around in the playgrounds and community halls. The last day of the festival is Onasadya. Onasadya is a pure vegetarian feast consisting of up to 20 curries, rice, papadam, pickles and puddings served on the traditional banana leaf.
We lay the banana leaf and we put all the 13 curries and the rice. Then we pour a bit of ghee on the rice. Then we put dal. That is the first pinch of rice we take on that sadhya. Then it continues with sambar and the various curries. After that, it is something strange about sadhya is halfway through, when we finish maybe 2 or 3 servings, we'll have our sweet paisam in the banana leaf. Once that is finished, we end with rice again, and with pulichori. Pulichori is yogurt curry.
Traditionally, Onasadya was a close family affair where women will prepare all the dishes and share it with family members. It's just like Thanksgiving and Christmas Day celebrations. Today, many families continue the tradition, but they also likely to go to community events where a feast is prepared for all to share. It's a joyous social event and a good excuse to dress up and catch up with friends. For the Malayali community in the UK, celebrating Onam still continues to play a significant part in preserving their identity and heritage.
You see, the main idea behind the celebration in London is to keep our memories back at home. We bring our memories from there into the Western world and celebrate it traditionally as well as the Western way.